Good morning. What a beautiful day. Hello, YouTube. Good morning, ladies and gents. As it is a beautiful, fine morning. So, we're going to take the Bronco out to work today. Give you guys a little tour real quick. So this is the house. A lot of people might know it from FS19, FS22. Good. Little circle driveway. We're ignoring that. Yep. So we do have an excavator. We do have a few things still at the shop that we're working on picking up. This is our GMC tow truck. This is like what we mainly use. And here we have a cat wheel loader. We have a John Deere Gator, Farmall tow row, Kubota, John Deere 46. Yeah, 4620. Forks for the wheel loader. Thought I put them up there. Maybe not. Plow for the plow truck, or for the red truck. That's over there. Trailer. Plow for the wheel loader. And over here we have a brush hog hooked up to a John Deere 7810, right? Yeah, 7810. So we just bought a bunch of acreage here. So we're gonna have to excavate, aren't we? It's gonna be close. Yeah, we hit it. Alright. Let's move the Bronco real quick. We're gonna move this trailer too. Move it later. Actually, taking a turn real quick before we get to work. That's the trailer. So this is our plow truck. We plow roads if we need to here. That's the right one. This game is a little laggy for some reason. I cannot figure out why. So we turn right here. So we need to do a repo job here. We're repoing a bunch of this guy's stuff. He built a beautiful shed. But yeah, eventually we'll get there. Just gonna turn around real quick. He's been working on the shed slowly. I think he's got stuff that he needs to do on the inside, maybe like insulation. But he's got a lot of stuff for us to repo. Definitely excited for that. Yeah, I'll show you what we have at the shop real quick. Pulling it into the shop right now. Okay. Ah, crap. My headphone cord. Got stuck in my spring wheel again. So we have skid steer, a bunch of skid steer attachments. I don't know why I have another excavator. I'll meet you guys back at the shop. So I'm gonna take you guys down to the property we just bought. It's right down the road from us. It was abandoned, I don't know when, but I know it's got a 4020 on it. That's about all I was able to see. It's down here on the left, not positive where. All I know is I should be able to see a shed and a bunch of overgrown trees. Not what I wanted to do. Okay. So just realized we took the, oh no, we should be able to take this right over there. So I think this is the farm up here that we bought. Yeah, this is it. I was told that there is a bunch of red sheds. We'll find out if we see it. If we see the house, I gotta see a photo of that. I missed the train, whatever. My father reds anyways. Or mother reds. Yes, that this place was abandoned a long time ago. Let's take the market here. Is there where I'm going? I don't know if there's any junkyards in here. Oh, that's a tree. This is also a repo job that we're doing. So it looks like we got a planter that I can save. Ooh. We don't fully own the place yet, so technically we're not supposed to put it back here. I just mix up repo and non-repo. Yeah, it's all the sheds, I guess. Oh, there's a dump truck. There's the 4020. Copy. This house, I was told, is a total tear down. I was told the whole inside of the house is moldy from the buyer, or from the owner. And what that leads me to believe is that the house is filled with mold and I just took temperature. But I've also been told, along with the house being much of a teardown, is the farm is in good condition. There are definitely a few things though that we need to do there. Yeah, we'll stay straight on this road. So if there's a Ford dealer, I'll have the link to the map in the description. Make sure I do that, or if I remember. All I know is by T. Oh my lord. Oh. We're definitely gonna have to put an FC in there. DR, or no, it's DJ modding. No, DR modding. Same one who made UMRV, which I love. I love. This is Casey's. Okay, so here get the tractor trailer loaded up, and then depends on what else we need. Taking the realtor, or my bucket for that first. I think we're gonna take the Kubota. If I can find forks for that, we're taking that. Or we might take that one. Ah, it's got more horses. Yeah, let's get the video already started. I'll just grab the forks for this. This is definitely one of my favorite mods, this realtor. Let's see. I have to use super strength, don't I? Oh. Definitely do not tell anybody about what I'm about to do. If I can line up, that'd be nice. Definitely legal. We're just gonna drive this right down the road. I'm not even too worried about DOT at all. So for some odd reason, speedometer's not working right, or something. Brand new loader too. That sucks. Just a tiny little bit. No! Anyways, if you guys want to see more from Sun, please let me know. Because I don't know what to film. Y'all don't tell me. Give me like a like or something. Maybe even a comment. So maybe a sub. Then I'll know to do more Farm Sim. This is like the definition of the game long drive. So as we're crossing the river, I'll give you guys a backstory. So from my understanding is the family had a farm. They had a beautiful house. Fire happened. They tore down the house. What is this idiot doing? And now they what do I want to say, like, closed the farm technically, but then they built a new house and then added on like the garage by the shed. Didn't really farm. They farmed the one field on the right next to there with all that old equipment. I know from off the top of my head is 4020 and dump truck, I think, were the ones that they used to clean up part of the farm. I could be a little wrong here, but you know, basic stuff. I'm definitely starting to regret not bringing the semi with the trailer. At all. Oh, but look at that. Oh, the power even works. So we got ourselves a Chevy dump bed. Does have a hitch on it. Here's the 4020. Doesn't have a model number on that side. There it is, 4020. My god. I don't know how they parked this. Definitely needs cleaning though. But this is cool. This is old. We're gonna keep lights on for now. Because we need to go in the house see if it's really tear down worthy. Oh wow, it stinks bad in here. Curtains are a little moldy walls. Looks newer though. Got grass growing in the house. Well, hello. El Camino. That is cool. That we're gonna have to see if it starts. Well, that's a good sign. Come on. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Rev it. No. As soon as I started to rev it up a little bit. Check the gas. Where in the world is the gas tank? Check the garbage can. That's a gas tank. Oh my god. It's got a little bit of gas, not much. It still smells fresh. Let's see. Sure wants to move. What? That button does that? That's weird. Alright, let's try it again. Come on. She really doesn't want to move. What? Y'all are seeing this, right? It's like a wall there. Let's try this one. Watch this one work. no. Okay. I don't wanna do that this video, but whatever. Let's go see what we get up to. I'm gonna stay quiet real quick so y'all can hear this pretty thing purr. Oh crap. Oh crap. Those brakes work. It stalled right away. I don't know why it takes a minute. Like, yeah, force them out. Let's see. Pull it right over into the taxi now. The footer up. Okay. Run away. This thing purrs though. The blinkers work. So it slows down immediately for some reason. It's a little weird. So wait, here's a question. Do the headlights work? Oh, golly. I am lucky. I'm gonna break it outside now. Okay. So we're gonna see if the little tractors over here will start. Oh god. This is the best looking out of them all. So it's an A. Let's check the oil real quick. It's almost full. Just a little below full. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's see. That's too easy. Way too easy. Let's see. Give her a little rev. Ah, crap. Let's see if we can get her in first. I can't get her in first, but I can get her in second, so. Let's see, can we get her in reverse? Let's see, does she steer? It's a little sticky, but yeah. Should this thing run out? Let's see, can we get in a third? Easy. Fourth. Bang. It's first, that's the slippery. This is nice. This is like really clean. This I'm happy about. This is gonna be one of my favorite things so far. Park it over here. So I can already tell that I need this thing over there. So a few things that we need to move. Whether they're willing or not. We're gonna cut down some trees though. Trim it up though, too. So, don't worry. I don't even think we fit. My front loader does, so if we need it, can. Okay, let's see here. One out of 4. Give her a little throttle. She wants to maybe a little bit more. No. Let's see. Where's the? There it is. It's a little low. Not below the low line though, so it should be fine. Just check the gas. Ooh, that's not good smell on diesel at all. This might be one we have to pull out. There we go. Crap. As soon as you start to idle it down, it's not like it. First gear of the dream. I cannot change gears. Stuck in first. Neutral. Stuck in first now. It's fine with me. This is gonna be one where we can take a little deal better. It's parking nicely right here. Indicator. Next on up is a good old deer. Let's see. This is promising. This is really promising. Uh-oh. Neutral. Let's see. Does not want to move in first. Or second. Let's try third. Let's try fourth. Okay. That we'll have to mess with. See what's wrong with those 2 gears. Oh god. Too far. Let's see. This isn't a sucker her. Yeah. A bit more stuff to grab. Time for the Super H. There's no way. Absolutely no way. Absolutely no way. This thing is running perfect. So let's run into every gear. Let's see here. Can she pull the plancher? Oh. I didn't see that. That's going right through the shed. That should be easy to get out. Got her hooked up. Ooh. This so far here is my favorite. I do not know if we can fit through here. No. Okay. Just about time with a game risk. Here, just about done. To me, this planter seems a little big for the tractor like this pulling. Next shed. This is actually kind of a cool barn. I'll just pull right up here. Let's see. Let's this one. Let's go down the ladder. Whoa. There's Model A. I'm not supposed to get out of here. Oh. That's a good running. That's okay. Who cares? Oh my god, this thing stinks. It smells like millions of years of manure. Let's see. Okay. Definitely gonna have to duck for this one. It runs. It's not running too good. It's running a little funky. I cannot get it in any gear but first. We're neutral now, so we're gonna have to kill it. And that hitch is like... This thing has tail. Oh my god. Those are like solidly melted together. Melted together. This is gonna be a long trip. Now what I was talking about, the long drive earlier, this is the long drive right here. Finally pulling up over here. Come on. Oh, that was close one. It did not want to stop. One bit. Okay. I know a lot of you are probably asking, like, why am I taking all the things out of the building? Because they want everything turned on. The city wants everything turned on in here. Network and self property. Probably put on like a farm or something. Not positive yet. I'd open the barn. There was no way any of those tractors could run this. I don't know. I think this thing can pull it. Let's find out. Let's see, does this thing have the guts? Little tiny guts to do it. Too. No, this thing ain't got any guts. But we can't grab none of that. That's all too late. Let's go mess in that shed over here. That's what we'll do. Let's see. This is like the cleanest Chevy I've ever been in. It's a 3-seater. Premium. So, from my understanding of what the owner said is, this thing has. I'm flipping the key and it's not turning. This thing is like barely ran. Like oh. Let's see. While she's running, let's just get her home. Oh, she does not want us. She has 0 brakes in her. Oh, dear Lord, this is scary. 5th gear. 5th gear. This thing cruises. Uh oh, it's not running right. The RPM's dying. Come on. We're full throttle right now. So something just blew. It's on the foreface. This thing does not want to run right. God. And I'm checking the hood and the engine just stopped working. I never checked diesel. That's full. It's full on diesel, so just lock under. Not seeing anything wrong. I didn't see anything wrong with the engine. Let's see. Started first. I should have looked at the radiator fluid. Radiator fluid to coolant. Seeing if that. I don't know. Oh god, guys. I can't get it to stop. The throttle is stuck opened. It will not stop. This is the problem. The key is off right now. Trying to stay on the property. Kill it. Temp gauge is rising a lot. Oh my god. How is this thing still running? Oh god. You know what? That works with me. We're just gonna leave that there. Take this over. Oh man. Cruising with the sun out on the road. This is nice. Real nice. Can I get some more tractors on the back? This is very nice. Like real nice. So pulling in, jackknifing, all normal things truck should do. Might help if I put it in reverse. Might help. Okay, got that detached. Just a little bit. Oh, it's like there. Okay, let's see. This is the one that runs like a dream. Probably should have left it neutral. I don't think this trailer's meant for trakes, but cool. See, you're supposed to be able to drive up and back, but yeah. I'm not doing that with these little tractors. So remember, first gear don't work, the rest do work fine. Oops, get back on. Oh god. I'll put mine. Oh, a little forward. There. Stop moving. Would you? That, oh my. That is definitely not how I left that. Alright, backing up to semi. Got her all hooked up. God, that just fell off. You're not supposed to fall off side panel. Oh my god. Won't go back on. Okay. Let's make sure it works. Cool. It's actively hanging, but I'm ignoring it. Go to sleep and everything like this for the night. We'll come back. Or no, not tonight, this morning. Come back in a few hours when we put some cases. And then the detractors. Because what else is a better thing to do than unload tractors? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna end that one here today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you on the next one. See you soon.